Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Justice Emmanuel Aqua and this is Mr. J Graphic. On today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to draw a shadow behind a picture. So without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this lady here is going to be my picture. Now I'm going to draw a shadow behind this lady, right? Okay, so first of all, you need to scale the picture to become kind of, should be bigger, a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to create, I want to use the background should be kind of gray. So I'm going to draw background right here. I'm going to change the color to kind of gray. This is white and this is gray. Something like that. Okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's okay for me. Let me lock it for no distraction. Now I'll select the picture and go this FX. Just click on the FX right here, add layer style and say drop shadow. Okay, so once you drop the shadow, when this appear layer style, we are working on drop shadow, so increase this one a little bit and the space should be the spread should be 0. Alright, and the size should be around,
music licensing,
let's say 10, right? Now the opacity should be around this, let's say 28. Okay, so the distance is 10, the size is 10, the opacity is 28. Then you press OK. Now after this, what you have to do, you see the effect. Just place the pointer here. When you right click, you're going to see create layer. So just click on the create layer. Okay, when you click, okay, so this is the create layer. Now after you create, when you press create layer, the create layer is going to leave behind, it's going to leave the picture and create its own layer for you. So this is the outcome. Okay, this is the outcome. Now it seems so let me go back again. It seems my opacity is kind of, so let it be black, let's say 20, 70. Okay, so 70 is okay. Now I right click, create layer, and let me hide this. Okay, I think this is okay for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight, hide the main picture and select the layer right here. I'll come back and click on the point anywhere. I'll right click and I'm going to use distort. Okay, so I'll click on distort and I'll click the point right here and drag.
Music licensing,
something like that. Then I press OK. Then I'm going to show up my picture right there. Let's make that distort again.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so now one after this, when you look at this, it seems the picture is the picture is hanging, so you have to make sure this fits the foot. All right, the foot right here, the shadow foot, make sure it fits the original picture. So click on the line again, right click, and then use skew, then position this right here. Now let this one, okay, let's use Desktop Rider. Okay, hold your control, then push this right here, push this one to right here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm using my control key. You hold your control key and then you position this one fix here. So I mean, this is beautiful, right? Now I'm going to use, I'll go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Then I'm going to use kind of Gaussian blur to blur the picture a little bit, something like this. I think this is okay for me. Now this is the outcome for this design. So guys, this is very simple, and once you try this, you're going to get it very nicely. And so this is going to be the end of this tutorial. Please, if today be your first time, kindly do me a favor, do me this honor and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also, please, once you watch this video, please like the video for me. That helps YouTube to suggest my videos to other people. So like this video for me and leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on my next video. My name is Justice Emmanuel Aqua, and God bless you. Bye-bye.